Hey everyone, if you thought Samsung's mid-range lineup had gotten boring, then buckle up, because things are about to get seriously exciting. The rumor mill is buzzing, and it's all about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A38 5G. This isn't just another incremental update, we're talking about what could be an absolute performance powerhouse that's bringing flagship-level features to a price that actually makes sense. In today's video, we're diving deep into all the leaks and rumored specs that could make the Galaxy A38 the biggest game changer of the year. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. Display and build quality. Let's be real, Samsung is the undisputed king of displays, and with the A38, we're expecting nothing less than a massive 6.85-inch Super AMOLED panel. But here's where it gets juicy. We're talking about a buttery smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate that's going to make scrolling through your feed and gaming sessions feel like absolute silk. And because Samsung knows we're clumsy, we're fully expecting IP68 dust and water resistance rating. But wait, there's more. They're rumored to be slapping on Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for that premium protection and a seriously high-end feel. The body itself is supposed to be slimmer and lighter than ever, so whether you're binge-watching or grinding through games, your hands won't feel the fatigue, and it'll look ridiculously modern while doing it. Camera setup. Now, Samsung might be pulling out all the stops in the camera department. According to the latest buzz, we're looking at a versatile triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor with OIS to keep your shots crisp, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing those epic landscapes or group photos, and a 10-megapixel lens dedicated to delivering smoother zoom shots. For all you selfie lovers out there, a 32-megapixel front-facing camera is rumored to be on board, promising sharp and crystal-clear video calls and reels that'll make your followers double tap. What's really exciting is that Samsung is expected to pack their latest image processing algorithms into this phone, which means low-light photography is about to get a massive glow-up. Performance and software. Is this thing ready for gaming? Absolutely. Rumors are pointing to Samsung's own Exynos 1680 processor, and either way, this phone is gearing up to handle multitasking and heavy gaming like an absolute champ. Here's the kicker, it's expected to ship with Android 16 right out of the box, paired with Samsung's latest One UI, giving you a fresh, clean, and super intuitive software experience from the get-go. And because we're in the age of AI, Samsung might be integrating smart AI features that optimize app launch speeds, manage background processes, and help keep heating issues in check. Even better, a dedicated vapor chamber cooling system is rumored to be inside, meaning those marathon gaming sessions won't turn your phone into a hand warmer, it'll stay cool under pressure while you dominate the leaderboards. Battery and charging. Battery life is where the A38 could absolutely crush its predecessors. We're hearing whispers of a massive 6000 mAh battery that's going to keep you going for what feels like days. But the real game changer. Samsung might finally unleash 120-watt super fast charging on this bad boy. That's right, no more waiting around for hours. If this rumor holds up, you could juice up your phone from 0 to full in just 15 to 20 minutes. On top of that, reverse wireless charging might also make the cut, so you can top up your Galaxy Buds or watch just by placing them on the back of the phone. Expected price and launch date. Alright, let's talk about the one thing you've all been waiting for, the price. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything, the rumor mill suggests an expected starting price in between $430 to $550 in the US market. If this phone drops at that price point, it's going to send shockwaves through the mid-range market and shake up the competition in a serious way. As for the launch date, all signs point to a global rollout very soon. The moment we get any official confirmation on dates, you can bet we'll be the first to let you know. This device isn't just shaping up to be a winner for students and young professionals, it could be the ultimate value for money smartphone for anyone who wants a top-tier experience without draining their bank account. So, here's the real question, are you ready to wait for the Galaxy A38 5G, or is there another phone in this budget that's already caught your eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear what you think.